Welcome to our modern luxury home in Antipolo, Rizal. It's along Marcos Highway lang guys, so it's super accessible. So ano pang hintayin natin? Tara! Hi guys, I'm RV and we're inside Vermont Park Executive Village along Marcos Highway. So it's very accessible towards QC area. So this modern luxury home stands on a 207 square meter lot area with a floor area of 450. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa ating two-car garage, covered car garage, elevated also. So yan, kasya po ang SUV, ang van, kasyang-kasya. And then, we have a separate gate here going to our service area. So, at least may additional safety tayo aside from the main gate. Meron pa tayong service area gate. So, before heading inside, napakaganda ng ating front garden. So, it goes well with the house and it gives an additional kumbaga attraction sa ating property na hindi lang puro magandang finishes, meron din tayong magandang garden in front of the house. Yan. And this is our massive mahogany main door. Ganda. Solid yan guys. Yan, pasok kayo. Yan. So, welcome to your new house. Yan. Pagpasok natin staircase agad, di ba? Pero later na tayo dyan. This is our living area. O, di ba? Maluwag to. Interconnected po ang ating living area at saka dining area. So, dito natin ilalagay yung couch. Facing there, kung maglalagay po kayo ng malaking TV. Dito. Then, pwede rin kayong mag-surround sound. Kasama na yung kitchen sa surround sound nyo if you want. So, maluwag yan. Siguro mga pag up to here, mga 8 square meters din, more or less. And then, meron na rin siyang sariling AC. Actually, ngayon, bukas yung isang AC. Alas 3 ng hapon, malamig na dito sa area natin. Meron pa tayong isa. So, pag dalawa yung bukas, kahit marami kayong bisita dito, kayang-kayang palamigin. So, from the living area, ito ang ating dining area. Pwedeng pag ganon, mas tama. I think pag ganito yung pinaka-ideal na placement ng ating dining area. May sarili ring AC. Kasya dito, mga 10 to 12 seater na dining table that overlooks your own dipping pool. Ito, napakaganda ng ating glass windows. Diba? Overlooking your own dipping pool. So, habang kumakain kayo, kahit may party kayo, nandyan yung mga bata, alam mo yun, you can oversee the kids while eating, while chatting with your family or with your friends. Napaka-sarap ng buhay, di ba? So, nandito na tayo sa napakagandang kitchen of this amazing house. So, as you can see, isang buo pong part ng bahay, kitchen na kitchen lang siya, solely for kitchen. We have cabinets encompassing the walls from your left side towards here hanggang dito. Diba? Dito po ang ating we start here. Dito kasya ang ating side-by-side ref. Yan, napakaluwag nito. Dito kasya talaga ang side-by-side. And then, napakarami nating kitchen cabinets. Uy, nandun yung gamit ko. Yan. So, cabinets hanggang dun sa taas. Kaya lang, syempre, kailangan na natin ng ladder for that. Pwede ito, kumpleto tayong cabinet sa taas, sa baba, and then granite countertop. Tapos, kumpleto rin tayo with the electric socket. Kumbaga, pwedeng ito yung coffee corner nyo. Kung meron kayong sarili or mahilig kayo mag-coffee, dito yung corner. And then, coming from there, ito ang ating isa pang part ng kitchen. So, we have our range hood, 5-burner cooktop. Galing, kasama na lahat yan, guys. Kumpleto, napakarami ng ating cabinets or yan. Lahat po pwede nyong lagyan. Kung mahilig kayo magluto, napakaganda nitong kitchen na to. And then, of course, ang laking bagay ng ating center island. Yung center island mo, nandun pa yung double sink mo. Diba? Yung nabanggit ko before, kung mahilig kayo magluto, you want to create your own content, ang gandang gawin nun dito. And then, of course, meron din tayong oven. Two-door yung oven mo. Donges siya. No, sorry. This is the oven. This is the microwave oven. Ang galing. Kasama na yung microwave. So, this is our very nice kitchen. Aside from the main kitchen, syempre meron tayong service kitchen. Ayan. This part on your left side is our pantry area. Ayan, lahat ng tinatabi yung mga stocks. Ayan, lahat ng inyong mga condiments, extra groceries, marami tayong lalagyanan. And then we have a service kitchen. Diba? So, ramdam na ramdam mo yung yung pagka-high-end niya. Kasi even the service kitchen looks really nice. Tapos, meron pa tayong door dito. This goes to the laundry area naman. Ito yung gate natin kanina from the parking. Ito yung service gate. And then the first door would be the staff room. Ayan. So maluwag yung staff room. Kahit dalawa yung staff nyo, kasya po yung double deck dito. Dito yung kanilang closet. Then may sarili silang toilet and bath. Even their toilet and bath, maayos. Oh, diba? It's not too small. Shower na. Kahit dalawang staff nyo, pwede dito. Coming from the staff room, ito na ang ating laundry area. Ayan, makita nyo water supply. We have the electricity supply. Si washer, si dryer. Ang kagandahan dito, it's covered. So, ibig sabihin, any weather, hindi po mababasa ang inyong service area, which is very important. Kanina, nung nakita ko to, akala ko dito yung shower ng staff. Hindi, pero this one, dahil meron kasi tayong pool, meron tayong dipping pool, so syempre, before heading inside, pwede na kayo mag-shower dito. Diba? So, alam mo yan, just to rinse off the pool water. Coming from the inside, the living and dining area. Ito na ang ating dipping pool. Napakaganda. So, diba? Huwag lang ako malalaglag, guys. Yan. Size of the dipping pool is more or less 12 to 15 square meters. Yan. Ano lang to talaga? For your relaxation or if you have family events, it's a small pool that can fit a few people, maybe less than 10. And then kids naman usually mahilig sa pool. So this is a perfect spot to host parties with your family or with your extended family. Ganda nito. Sabi nga ng seller, if nagsawa daw kayo sa pool after a year or two, pwede pang i-extend yung living and dining area. Sagot na niya. Coming from the pool, this is an outdoor first bedroom. Ito ang ating parang guest room natin to, pero pwede rin siyang elderly room na spacious, 3x5, 3x4. More or less to mga 12 square meters in size. Meron na tayong hindi ko mabuksan. Meron na tayong closet, and then meron din siyang sariling toilet and bath. Yan. So kung kailangan nyo ng guest room, this is a very nice guest room for you guys. Finishes ng tiles natin, it's very neutral. Then we have this rain shower, of course, the lavatory, second faucet, and then you have a very nice tricolor mirror here. Yan. Kulang mo na lang, sorry, would be the multi-point, sorry, talagang yumuko ako no? The multi-point heater. Sobrang walang edit niyan. Mawawala ang ating powder room. Wow! Diba? Ganda. Medyo dark yung colors. Gray, dark gray. Then you have a dark brown, parang accent wall dito. Pero it's super elegant. And then this is a tricolor mirror, lighted mirror as well. Yan, meron na tayong, of course, yung ano bang ini-expect nyo with powder room. Kompleto. It's very nice. Before heading upstairs, there's another door here. Ito naman ay under the staircase storage. O, diba? Maluwag to. Hanggang pa ganun pa siya. Maluwag pa siya. Wala pa ng ilaw dito. Pero malaking bagay po ang maraming storage sa pang-araw-araw na pamumuhay nating mga Pilipino. Ngayon, punta na tayo sa second floor. Churra! Welcome to our second floor, guys. Ayan. Check natin muna the first door on your right. Uy, lamig. Sarap dito. Ooh. Ayan. So, sa baba, may AC na yung ating living dining area. Dito rin sa ating entertainment room, meron na rin siyang AC. So, pwede nyo rin itong gawing bedroom, pero technically, this is considered entertainment room. Yan. So, kaya medyo sakto lang din yung dami ng windows niya. Kasi pag entertainment room, syempre may malaki kang TV or meron kang overhead projector. Saktong-sakto siya dito. Ilalagay lang kayo ng mga couch or tawag doon, lazy boy. Diba? Ang ganda. So, this is our, kumbaga, entertainment room. So, welcome to our second bedroom. Yung first bedroom natin kanina, guys, yung nasa ground floor. O, ha? Meron ka pang ano, massive windows dito. Ganda. Glass panels. That's why yung lighting, napakaganda ng pasok sa kwarto. So, this is your first bedroom on the second floor. Yan, napakaganda ng windows natin on this side and on this side. TV would be most likely here. Ayan, makita nyo, meron na yung LAN. Although wala naman gumagamit ng cable ngayon. Very, very few na lang. So, dito ang TV. And then, of course, ito ang ating headboard for our queen-size bed. Diba? Spare bedroom lang, pero kasyang-kasya yung queen-size bed niya dito. Pwede ka rin magkaroon ng vanity area dito. Kung babae ang inyong anak, maglagay ng vanity area dito. Diba? And then, meron din siyang sariling toilet and bath. Matatawag mo bang luxury kung walang sariling toilet and bath ang inyong mga bedrooms? The finishes is on the lighter side of brown. Unlike yung kanina, darker side of gray and brown naman. And it's nice, may contrast. Diba? Meron na tayong shower enclosure, shower head. Lahat ng ating kailangan. Let's go to the master's bedroom. Woo! Napakalaki na ito. O, diba? Hindi mo na malaman saan ilalagay yung bed. Bed would most likely be here. Yan, ito ang pinakatama siguro na perspective. Most likely, this is the headboard. King size bed, meron tayong magkabilang outlet for your bedside table. And then, on the other side, na napakaluwag, dito natin ilalagay ang 80 or 100-inch TV nyo. Napakaluwag na ito. 2, 4, 6 by... More or less to mga 25 to 30 square meters na po itong master's bedroom natin. Meron na rin tayong split type AC. We have windows, openable windows on both sides. And then, walang closet, ano? Nawawala yung closet. Pero here is the most amazing part of this property. Ooh! Pwede ba magmura? Sorry po. Napakaganda po ng inyong walk-in closet. Ito na po ang isa sa pinakamagandang walk-in closet na nakita ko. Well, hindi pa naman po kami nag-cater ng mga 100+ million. Pero dun sa mga na-house tour namin, this is one of the... No, this is the best walk-in closet that we've seen so far. Nasa ano nito, bro? Parang nasa Louis Vuitton. Alam mo yan, pag nag-Yugo Boss, nag-shopping ka. Sir, kasya na ba yung ano mo? Anyway, mabalik po tayo. Pasensya na. You have a massive closet on this side. Hindi na po kinailangan ng takip niyan. You don't need the sliding doors kasi may sarili po kayong door for the whole walk-in closet. So, pag ito nabigay nyo kay Mister, nandito na yung mga suit and tie niya. Mga suit. And then, nandito yung probably the shoes. Nandito yung Rolexes niya. Oh, the rest sa inyo na po, mga misis. Nandito yung bags nyo, naka-display. Ang dami nito. Mga Birkin bags. LV. Pero Hermes na talaga ngayon. And then you have this vanity area. Let's just close this one. You have this vanity area, diba? For your preparation for your date night. Ang ganda. May sarili pang AC yung ano nyo. Yung walk-in closet. Diba? Pwede ka na matulog dito sa walk-in closet na to. And then meron pa dito. Actually, I stand corrected. Malamang dito si Mister. Dito sa side na to. Ito na yun sa kanya. The rest, the whole room, para sa inyo yan, mga misis. Kasi, happy wife, happy life. Meron pa tayong full-size mirror dito. Para pag nag-check kayo, after nyo mag-ayos, di ba? Madumi na yung aking tuhod. And then, of course, meron tayong master's toilet and bath. Ooh, nice. Very low-key. Biglang naging simple yung ano natin. Hindi komplikado kasi medyo hard to digest na yung walk-in closet natin. Pagdating sa toilet and bath, simple, functional. This is where you, alam nyo na yan, number 2. And then meron tayong malaking sink and faucet here. Walang his and hers, pero this is one big sink for you guys. And then, meron din tayong malaking mirror dito na meron na rin siyang backlight. Tapos, meron din tayong shower. Ayan. Yung finishes ng ating toilet and bath or master's toilet and bath, halos kapareho nung ating second bedroom, diba? Medyo light colored brown yung dating niya. Tapos pagpasok mo naman ng walk-in closet mo, more on the dark brown side of things. Ngayon, tatanungin nyo, ba't walang bathtub? May pool na po kasi kayo sa baba. So most likely, that's the reason wala tayong bathtub on this master's toilet and bath. And coming from your walk-in room, hindi na to walk-in closet. Meron kayong balcony, guys. Yan, massive. Ano rin, maganda yung size ng ating balcony. Diba? Tsaka tahimik. Tahimik po dito sa side na to. Welcome to the third floor. Napakaganda ng ating windows dito sa ating staircase. Kung napansin nyo. So, coming from the staircase, meron tayong fourth bedroom. So, kung malaking pamilya kayo, most likely this is the kids room. Yan. Pero maluwag pa rin siya. 3 meters by 4 meters siguro. More or less to mga 12. Tapos meron din silang sariling toilet and bath. O, diba? Finishes of the toilet and bath are the same as the second bedroom kanina. So, yun. This one is our kitchenette on the third floor. Yan. Meron kayong area dito for prep kung meron kayong event dito sa roof deck or sa third floor balcony. Dito yun pwede mag-ayos, mag-prepare ng food. Then, saka natin dadalhin dito sa ating ganda nito. Big balcony on the third floor. Oo, diba? Hindi naman masyadong mainit. Alas 3 lang. Napakainit. Yan. Pero you can have an event here. Probably can host about 20 to 30 packs siguro. Kasya po dito. Maluwag. So, ang ganda. Sorry, nawala ako. That one is a really nice view from the roof deck. Yan. Kita nyo na po yung Antipolo. Diba? Antipolo na yan, ano? Tama? May titinda pa ng taho. Ang galing. That's Antipolo. So most likely, pag New Year dito guys, napakaganda ng mga fireworks. Yan. At saka Christmas. So this is a really good place for you to spend time with your family or have event. Palagyan nyo na lang ng canopy para kahit umulan, umaraw, diba? Magagamit nyo siya. So coming from our third floor balcony or function area, meron tayong powder room. So meron na tayong powder room sa ating ground floor, meron pa tayong powder room para sa third floor pag meron kayong events, diba? So they don't need to go inside the bedroom para mag-CR, which is very important. So this is our fifth and final bedroom. Nice. Maluwag din ito. Diba? Mas malaki to kumpara dun sa kanina. No? Bed would be here. Tama. It's either dito. Ay, hindi. Tama dyan. And then you have your built-in closet here. Yan. Kompleto rin yan. On this side, dito natin i-wall mount ang inyong TV. Ayan. Tapos to, may provision siya for window type AC. So not all bedrooms have their own AC yet. Then the finishes for the toilet and bath, pareho-pareho po dun sa atin. So, it's very consistent across the board. Across the bedrooms pala. Quick recap lang tayo guys for this house tour. So, this 5-bedroom modern luxury home is located inside Vermont Park Executive Village along Marcos Highway. It stands on a 207 square meter lot area with a floor area of 450. It has 2-car garage, 5 bedrooms, 5 toilet and bath, 2 powder room. Makakalimutan ko pa yung powder room. Dalawa po kasi yung powder room. And then you also have the office area or the entertainment area on the second floor. You also have a big balcony that can accommodate your parties on the third floor. And of course, you have your own dipping pool right at your backyard. Yan. So, the asking price for this property is just 34 million pesos. And it's still negotiable. If you want to see the property or if you have further questions, please contact us on the number below. Yan, kumpleto po yan. Meron po tayo lahat dyan. Viber, WhatsApp, Telegram. And please follow us on our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and of course, our YouTube channel. Marami pong salamat and see you on the next one. Peace!